Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a pretty simple, pretty laid back, chit-chatty kind of thing. I realized the other day that I haven't actually spoken to my YouTube fam in a while. Actually like talk and speak and just catch you up. So I decided today that while I was washing my makeup brushes, I just talk and chat with my YouTube fam. So I'm washing all my brushes that I put them bristle down into this bowl. I added dish soap and then I added hot water. So that has been soaking for quite some time. Also did the same thing for all my sponges. I like to soak my sponges and my brushes ahead of time, and then I will go in by actually like scrubbing it against the bar of soap. The bar of soap I'm going to be using is the Premier bar of soap that I got from an Owambe that I went. Not seen my Owambe haul, please go and check it out. Take my brush into the bar of soap. Then I'm going to take something really fun. I'm going to take a sieve and then I'm just going to... This forms the perfect scrubbing pad. How have we actually been? I will not lie. The past couple of months have been, I wouldn't say hard. I would say like busy. I didn't know it'll be that busy to the point that editing videos now becomes a problem for me. I feel like short form content on TikTok and all these other platforms, it's very easy to get away with like not doing much. But on YouTube, especially when you're filming long form content like I do, you have to bring your A game. My videos are competing for your attention with Mr. Beast videos. So me, small me, I have to make sure that whatever I'm doing is good, the best of the best, so that I have a fighting chance. A part of me has accepted that this is the life I have picked for myself, and with the life I want, there are gonna be sacrifices. Life will get harder, especially when you make changes and you do things that are different. I didn't know that there would be a time that I'd be like, maybe I should pay someone to edit my videos. Filming is not my problem. To set up a camera, to come up with the concept of it is not a problem at all. My biggest problem is sitting down to edit. That is really... I don't know how to explain, but yeah, it's hard. And I love to edit. I'm just gonna have to do something to make sure that the content I want up goes up. I am not financially buoyant like that to be hiring editors. I can't at this moment, unfortunately. So I'm gonna have to figure it out. I'm gonna have to make some sacrifices, and that's one thing that I've really realized. Enough about that, and on to the most important day of the year, my birthday.
Oh my God! Wow!
My birthday is coming up and I'm in a good mood. Using my birthday as an excuse to make myself do my skincare and to make myself work out even better is so funny to me. I need a special event, I need a special occasion. And I'm trying to see how I can turn needing a special event / special occasion into just being consistent every day without needing something special. Because the thing is that I should not need to wait for there to be something special for me to be consistent with my skincare. I want to be someone that is consistent with taking care of themselves. For me, it's like there's this special thing coming up, you want to look good, but using that as a starting point for your life is special, you want to take care of yourself and all those things. I really want to keep a consistent skincare routine because I've realized as I'm getting older that my skin is changing. When I smile, you can see the wrinkles inside my eye, my folds getting deeper, and I welcome aging. I love the fact that I'm getting older, and I love the fact that you can see the wealth of experience I've had on this earth in my face. But I do want to see how youthful I can keep my skin looking. I introduced retinol into my routine. I think what I need to do now is just keep consistent at it. Having my birthday be at the beginning of December means that the weekend before my birthday, I'm gonna have a good time. And the weekend after my birthday, I'm also gonna have a good time. I am planning on going swimming. And then on my birthday, gone, I'm not really like doing much. I'm gonna go out for dinner and that's it. The next day, Tuesday, the day after my birthday, I'm gonna take some small chops and drinks to the office. But I am going to Ibadan for a rave the weekend after, so I'm gonna put that together as birthday enjoyment. For me, my marker of Dirty December is my birthday, which is why I go very hard and I celebrate my birthday, because like to me it's like the beginning of Dirty December. December is looking lit, partially because you know I have work events to attend, but apart from that, there are just like a couple of cool things that are coming up. I'm already looking forward to December this year. Already looking forward to having a good ass time, and I hope you guys are looking forward to my Dirty December vlog. I do hope that I can get it up in time. My last Dirty December vlog was almost an hour long and it stressed me. By the way guys, let me know now, do you guys want a two-parter or do we want one full vlog? And looking at like the activities I plan to do this December, it probably will be like an hour 10 minutes. It's so wild I'm complaining about long videos, but like I watch long videos. Like Trash Taste episodes are like 2 hours long. I don't want to put out an hour-long video and nobody gives a fuck, which is why I'm here asking what kind of video would you guys want. Having a birthday at the end of the year kind of makes you self-reflective. I don't know if anybody else that has birthdays like around December really feel this way. I feel this way like whenever my birthday comes up, I just become very self-reflective. I just start thinking about like, what have I done this year? I feel like I've lived my age. I feel like I've lived 34 already. This year honestly has been very revealing in regards to personal relationships, in regards to work, in regards to my own inadequacies as well. I feel like this year really opened my eyes to me knowing and understanding myself a bit better. Also this year also showed me shady, especially when it comes to economy. The economy of this country is showing me shady. Buying skincare products, buying body products, buying clothes, buying anything these days, it's just like, man, just be doing mathematics up and down, just be thinking and thinking and thinking. One of the things I want to do before the year ends, I want to go through all the clothes I own, like all of them, and keep some, donate some, and make a list of the clothes that I'm gonna need for the next year. I need to go through everything and be like, okay, this is the state of affairs. How do we fix it? Same thing with makeup. When it comes to makeup, oh my god, I need to buy so much. Like I have a list of products I need. I'm almost done with my makeup brushes. This is all I have left. These are the small like eye brushes. Look at how dirty this water is. I feel very bad for my cleaner. She's gonna have to deal with my dirty foundation sink. I mean, I'll clean it, but I'm not gonna do a good job as my baby girl does. Man, I'm starving. After this, I'm going to go and get some shawarma. Then I'm gonna go see my parents. I need to see my dad. My dad is traveling to America in a bit. Seeing your parents age is so... It's something that I knew was gonna happen because I'm aging, they're aging. But seeing it happen is very... I don't know, my dad is having eye issues, so he's going to America to go to see a specialist, and a part of me is just like a little scared, I will not lie. And I hope everything turns out well. I'm just a daughter that's worrying about her dad, that's all. Almost done with the brushes, just got a couple of more left. This year has shown me shige, but I also think this year has really given me a lot of joy and given me a lot of moments of gratefulness, of gratitude. So grateful that I get to work at such an amazing office with such amazing people. You think it's easy working in music. It's not easy working in music, and I work with some of the most talented people on earth. Like my team continues to surprise me every day. The company continues to surprise me every day. It's inspiring. 2025, I want to go in, I want to go hard. I also want to go hard on YouTube. I say this every year. People think that, you know, if you work at a record label or you're working in entertainment, you're just chilling, you're just partying. No, like I'm not out every night. Yes, there are some times that I go out for work, which is fun and cool. But to be honest, my work is not outside. My work is on a table with a laptop. I want to go hard next year, 2025, at work, but I also want to go hard on YouTube. I'm going to have to navigate what going hard on these two main important things in my life right now are my job and my YouTube channel. I want to knock everyone's socks off at YouTube. I don't know how. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna figure it out. 2 brushes left. I'm looking forward to December. I'm looking forward to the new year. I would love to hear what you guys have planned for December. If you're going out, if you're planning on staying in, let me know. If you're traveling, let me know. I need to take a break. I need to go to some island and sip some cocktails and not have anyone disturb me. I need to sort out my passports, get a couple of visas. I feel like I haven't seen the world. I feel like I haven't seen people. I need to see people that are different from me. I don't think the sponges will be that hard. I'm gonna rinse them and squeeze them, rinse them and squeeze them until they come out, like the water that comes out isn't soapy and it's clean. I just wanna know what it feels like. Feels like to be in love. I don't think I've seen it. I'm just making up a song as I sing. Yeah, this sieve was such a good idea. I love using this sieve because I used to do it on my hands. Like I used to take the sponge and rub it on my hands. But this sieve is so much better. The next video is going to be me preparing for my birthday. I'm gonna get my brows done, I'm gonna get my hair done, I'm also gonna get my nails done as well. And actually, on that note, I'm done. This is the last thing. My battery died, so we're just gonna be ending this video on my phone. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Please do not forget to answer all the questions that I said in the video that I cannot remember right now. I'd really love your feedback, and I would really love your answers, and I really love your engagement. Please do not forget to wash your brushes to the subscribe button so you can join this family here on YouTube. Also, do not forget to make some nice Sunday morning tea to the notification bell so that you'll always get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Also, do not forget to pre-soak, pre-wash, prepare yourself to the like button so you can tell YouTube that this video is awesome and to recommend it to other people as well. Do not forget to be awesome, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.